Hey everyone, it's Denika with Fix.com, and in this video we're going to show you how to make this scrap wood Christmas tree. So it's completely scalable and you can make it as small or as large as you'd like. Let's get started. To do this, you're going to need scrap wood of all different sizes. There's no rhyme or reason to the amount of spacing in between your blocking, as long as you have a large to a small. So your tree could start at 24 inches, you could start at 4 inches. Your smallest piece will be a triangle for the top of your tree, and then similar for the base. And you can see I did choose some of the ones that have bark still left on, because I want my tree to be a little bit rustic. So none of them are the same width as well. Just gives your tree some dimension. So you're going to start by sanding all of your edges. So now you're going to find the center of your blocks, and that is so that you can pre-drill down into them. And your dowel will go directly down. So the only one that you don't want to drill all the way through is your top piece. That way when your dowel goes on, it doesn't come through. So now you're going to take your sandpaper, and if any of them have any tear out, just want to get that off. All right, so when your tree is all ready to stain, and you don't have to worry about the holes too much because they will be covered. So don't worry about getting the stain all the way in that. So I'm going to stain my base a different color just to give it a little bit of dimension. So now we're going to take our dowel, put it in your tree base. A little bit of wood glue. And just start piling your trees on. You've got a little bit of time to play with your wood glue, just to see where you want to set everything before it dries. Thanks so much for tuning in, guys. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below, and I'd love to know the crafts that you're making this holiday season.